This lab will essentially be a continuation of our last lab. However, whereas our last lab focused on taxonomy and classification, this lab will focus on body systems in different groups of organisms and comparing how they work. We will be mainly focused on the circulatory, digestive, and lymphatic systems. However, we will cover some other systems as well. The circulatory system typically includes blood vessels with a pump or valves for blood flow. This usually means it also includes a heart, veins, arteries, and capillaries. The digestive system involves breaking down food for nutrients and other necessary materials that can then be absorbed by the organism. And lastly, the lymphatic system is used for ridding the body of unwanted materials like toxins and other harmful materials. We will be discussing these systems more specifically in regards to the groups of organisms we discussed in the last lab. However, there are some terms you will need to be familiar with as we move throughout those stations. Respiration may remind you of breathing or hard exercise. However, biologically, it refers to the chemical reactions that take place within cells to break down nutrients or provide energy. Furthermore, excretion refers to the removal of toxic waste or materials from the body. From a biological sense, sensitivity refers to the ability for an organism to respond to changes in its environment. Reproduction refers to an organism's ability to make more of the same kind of organism. Nutrition refers to the taking in of materials that will allow for growth, development, and energy for that organism. Movement is an action that allows an organism to change its position or place. And lastly, growth is a permanent increase in the size of an organism. Keep these terms in mind as we move throughout the lab and use this information to fill out the blanks listed under Station 1 on your handout.